close. Stozana, I've got 22 stars now. Stozana, Sfiso Ndlovu Buthelezi uthi ubani lona nonya kangaka ngeke mthi umuntu onjengawe alahlwe kalula kanjalo. Hey, wesitozana khona enye ingoma eyiculwa ngomunye umuntu, I think was it Janet Jackson? You don't know what you got till it's gone. That's the only thing that I can say. Ukuthi ngizothi ubani owenzile. No, because in the management entsha, station manager or business manager is Mnumzane Ulwazi Mthabela, and the programs manager is Mnumzane Lango Ndetha Ibenjalo wakwacele. Yeah, ibona abaphethe ukhozi. So but again nabo lama ngeke sabagxeka kangaka basebenzisa ama metrics athile, just that nje ngiyalithanda because I'm not going to tell you here mhlambe for now up until management is iphendula incwadi ngababhalela yona ukuthi iziphi izathu abazisho, not ukuthi ngoba bengafuna ukuphuma. Wonke umuntu yofikelwa ithuba lokuphuma, kodwa ngcono utshelwe kahle to okay, this is what happened. But whatever they say, it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace ngempela. Ongeke wafuna ukuthi isiteshi esinjenge-SABC ukhozi lu-associate nento ebuhlungu kanje ngale ukuthi uyisho umuntu oyileader. Kenzeka phela ama-leader sometimes babe mancane ngeminyaka, but that does not mean bancane ngengqondo. Bancane ngeminyaka, but once wavula umlomo wakhuluma in your position as a leader, especially entweni erekhodiwe, and there's someone who's taking notes with the livelihoods yabantu, so sengathi amagama akho ngawakhuluma uswa adlulile engqondweni iqala wawaprocessa then useyawakhuluma, because uma ukhuluma njengathi wehle ehlahleni kuba nzimanyana kancane. But whatever that was said at that time, shame, it was just something really ebengeke ngakwazi ukuphuma ngitshela umhlaba ukuthi this is what, because ukhozi lu big loba big besekhona sebengasekho. For example, do you know ukuthi for the past 20 years abantu abake bangiphatha babangama manager abasekho bonke bebefika behambe, so it will happen ukuthi nabo bawufika ngesikhathi sabo at some point bayodlula bese sikhulekela ukuthi ukhozi ligcine litholeke umuntu ozo, you know, oyokwenza not ngama feelings but athatha ama decision based into ephathekayo. So ngizama ukuthi ngithi asingathi noma sixeke kakhulu ukubona mhlawumbe it's a decision, I don't know, yazi ngizama ukuchazela engekho kwamina, but it is what it is. Hey, I'm seeing
Sanibonani Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you subscribe and please make sure that you watch the adverts. Please don't skip the advert, and please make sure that you leave a comment and you share our stories or share whatever we're speaking about. But please do watch no matter advert here one. So as you could see, looks like Usipho Mbatha aka DJ Shkameza, Pastor Mbatha, is not happy the way he left Ukhozi FM. According to him, it was just not, he says what was communicated with public is not exactly what happened. According to him, akazange aziyekele yena emsakazweni, but he was given a show yange weekend la ekade ezokwenza khona zamabandla just once on Sundays. Khona uthe ubezofika abingelela adlala umfundisi bese athula yena kuze kuyophela uhlelo qhamuke sevalelisa phela. So listen, I think personally it looks like usabhalile incwadi obhalela abaphathi bokhozi FM. Apparently he's not happy how he was dismissed, and he feels the fact ukuthi ke ulango the new party ba communicate ku wrong bathi uyena oziyekele kanti akazange aziyekele. Sipho Mbatha believes the fact ukuthi there are reasons that were taken ukuze ahambe, and those decisions lezo zizathu lezo azimgcolisi kahle. Now he says he has a contract with Ukhozi FM for the past 20 years. So I'm assuming ukuthi mangabe une contract susi yakhe shuthi une contract yena akuvuselelwa every year. Ngicabanga ukuthi usho kanjalo ngoba as far as I know emsakazweni every year uyavuselela. Now Ukhozi calendar lokhozi FM lenziwa sometime last year around November or so, and already he was not part of a lineup crew, so he was aware. So my question is, why was it let me not say that because I like Sipho, but so I want to say this in a nice way. We need to let go sometimes. I understand how he feels. He compares himself with abantu. Yes, definitely not being as inkinga. He's a good person, yes. Now, I don't know. This thing here, radar, is very tricky. It's ngathi kuba umdlalo webhola where ilento ivele ifice ungekho unganakile. But anyway, we think he's also insinuating that he was taken away from his slot or replaced V just because also he participated in March. No, sorry, he didn't participate, but he asked the questions go Department of Education wase ekhatha ke uShod wakhona the other day the spokesperson. Now I'm going to put a clip here where Usipho Mbatha is actually having a conversation with the Department of Education, and then feeling as so now it's going to go back to Jacinta, because Jacinta was fired with Vuma FM and was sold uguti my clinic. It has to do with lo mama lo waka health anginandaba labantu baka health labantu baka ANC noma ngangabaza amagama abo nje imhlangano anyway. So now is insinuating Usipho ukuthi uxoshele, because as soon as ehambile kizolo he posted this video what's a snippet basa abantu abaningi bethi ya. So is really, yes, we are aware the fact ukuthi ANC is against uhanjiswa kwama foreigner and is against yebo into zo Eddington ngashacima, but yes, we also aware ukuthi SABC stage somphakathi and absahulumeni basically benza imali from advertisement from ANC. So is Sipho trying to say ukuthi uxoshelwe lokho ukuthi wakhatha uShod waka education? Please listen to what he's saying and listen to this clip right now. There is it.
Okay. Yes, uthi bese ngiyakuzwa ngazi ukuthi uthola ispeech nje sezinto enzozenza se-manifesto. Yethu ufuna ukuyicheck ukuthi so njengamanje akukho enye into engenzeka yokuthi lapha kubeke kwama-park homes njalo ne-Eddington. Okay. Lokho sefama ngivumele ngibambe la it's 8:34 sibhekela kanjani kumhlo ukuthi asinikeze indaba zezemidlalo so buye sikubone ke ukuzwa ukuthi umnyango wezemfundo ikupho kunye anakho njengalokho eneinhlelo zokuthatha abantwana base laba sakhona kunye obesibheka kakhulu udaba oluthinta iEddington ukuthi kusekhona indlela yokuthi singaphinde kuvuleke ezinye zezikhala. Nithuba kumlilo legcineni bekuyithuba lokuthi makukhona afuna ukuphendula kokushiwo uJacinta acabanga ukuthi umbuzo odinga impendulo ibe khona kodwa kunalokho bengi explainela okungekho lesibuzile umhlo usekhona usephinda indaba zezemidlalo.